My name is Kanto Tenmoko.
Kanto Tenmoko. Kanto Tenmoko. Kanto Tenmoko.
Something for thing. Woo 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 woo. Woo woo woo. Something fine thing guys.
Go, go.
Something fine. Something fine thing sang kung try.
Yun mga kadorf, maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay ng aming channel. At ngayon mga kadorf, may bago na naman tayong video. Ang pangalan ng video na to is Half Chinese, Half Bulldog. So, tara na sa video.
Something fine. Something fine fine.
Alas man ang buhanga mo, ha?
Something fine Chinese. Chinese. Something fine
Chinese.
Something fine. Woo woo woo. Something fine. Something fine. Woo 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 woo. Woo woo woo. Something fine thing guys.
Go, go.
Something fine. Something fine thing sang kung try.
Bang may misteryo nangyayari dito ah.
Sing sang phong sing sang. Sing sang fine.
Hindi.
Đây nào. Woo 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 woo. Woo woo woo. Đang sing fine. Sang fine.
Tipin up, dad.
Tăng chiang fine. Tăng chiang. Ca gì gái? Sang sang phong sang. Sang sang sang. Sang sang fine. Like wow. Woo 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 woo.
Parang may problema ka.
Like sing fine. Okay, rồi. Sing fine. Rồi, ta.
Ano sabi mo? Bakit? Ano sabi mo?
Okay. Đây. Đóng quay dài bãi.
Ha?
Có xin phản chính lại xí. Đang cháy nát. Trăng quay. Đi xin sang cũng xính. Woo woo woo. Trăng đi cuộc. Lại trong trái rồi. Cuộc lại là chín trái.
Sao đâu? 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 Sino? Kita po tayo. Sino? Kami.
We are Chinese.
Chinese.
My way we're from China. I'm China and I looking for a room for rent here. Room for rent. Yeah, yes, so looking right. Well, like so, woo woo woo. Right, that dog.
Common sense!
Sige, namurin natin makita na to. Asa man ka na puntan?
So I don't understand. I don't understand. Học lấy sách.
Nangita sa kritahan.
Ông ấy có phải chuyện này.
Na ako'y nakita na parintahan po. Saan? Ano ito balay ba? Oo, balay.
Wow, check bảo hay. Chính phang xin sang long sang tay. Chính sang phong lại. Chính sang sông. Chính sang sông.
Asa man ako?
My name is
Asa man ka makunta?
my name is Kanto Tenmoko. Kanto Tenmoko is my name. Yeah. That's
Ay,
right.
makulit pa ka. Mga kontak. Ako, na-cellphone mo. Kaya ako ihatag atong balay nga magparinta.
Okay.
Oh.
That's don't wait, sang wait, sorry. Ah, this is for you. Không phải
Wala ba, bulletin?
I don't have a ballpen.
Kung isin ba ko pagkuhan na ni? Asa ba? Naman dito ang balay. Rentahan.
Bola lang yan.
Can I look wow, you are very handsome. You are very handsome. You look like Rene Requistas.
Hayop ka talaga! Ang ganda mong lalaki!
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Don't wait, xuống bả. Thank you.
Sige ka. Bukuan lang ko.
Okay
Dong, asa man ni siya karon? Asa man ni siya ka? Atong magparinta og balay.
Tên song lên vai xanh. He is Chinese too.
Ha, eh?
Dong lên.
Chinese.
Okay.
Wa. Asa, di man ta makasinabot.
My name is Kanto Tenmoko.
Kanto Tenmoko.
Wow! Dinagdagan mo eh.
I think Thank you. I'm sorry if I bothered you.
Oh, yes. Yes, okay.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. 专心上线上。 Sing song lai sai. Fine sing song lai sing fine. Watermelon. Watermelon.
Dos-por-dosin kita.
Lemon. This is lemon.
This is watermelon.
No, that's not watermelon. Watermelon is bigger.
No, this is a small watermelon.
Gunggong.
Oh, lemon.
Sing fine sing lai.
Lemon.
Sing fang lai
Use
sai.
for juice. Lemon juice.
How about this carrot?
Cassava. That carrot. Cassava.
This is carrot.
No. Carrot. Coconut.
No, this is durian.
Ito ka nasisira, ulo.
It's up to you.
That's not sing fine.
It's up to you.
Ay, sanay.
We're telling you that the real name. And
No.
if you have your own. Durian is thorny.
Okay.
Ang buwan.
How much for this? How much for this? 20.
Ilang.
Okay. I got one sack of watermelon.
1 kilo. 1 kilo daw yasin.
Ang sing fine sai.
Ilang kilo no?
I'm from China.
You can,
Where you from?
Yep.
China.
Sir, where you from?
So
China.
you buy this one, this lemon juice.
No,
Sir, where you from?
Lemon.
this is the watermelon of China.
Watermelon.
Yes.
How about the taste?
Very sour, very sour.
Yeah, sour. Because this is
Huwag ka na mag-Ingles.
not because this is not watermelon. Watermelon.
This is so
You can see
very
the watermelon in the
yummy.
fruit stand.
It's juicy.
Oh yeah, juicy.
Juicy.
This one, come.
No,
Watermelon.
that is calamansi.
Baliktad.
Okay. Thank you. Xin phần hải xuân hải. Xin phải hải xuân hải. Xin phải hải xuân hải. Phải xuân hải. Fine. You speak English? Fine. Xin phải from China. We are Chinese. What the like Thai?
We can understand the China language.
I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright, baby.
We are made in China. Fine, xin lại xin. This one, right? Fine, xin lại xin fine, xin.
Sorry, we don't really understand.
With English. We're looking for in.
Asawa mo ba yan?
In. Like a level of in. Start like tonight. Well, long sound high fine. Things sign fire.
No, wait.
We're looking for in.
In?
Exactly.
Like hotel?
Ang galing mo pala dyan ah. Hindi ko alam ah.
Yeah. Exactly.
Area?
We're looking for the in because I want jugjuga.
Ano ka, bakla?
You know jugjuga. What is the meaning of jugjuga?
We didn't know. We didn't hotel?
Yeah.
Well, maybe you can ask over there because I don't know the area here.
Wow.
Because I'm not from this area.
But you are so very beautiful.
Kilala kong kaliskis mo, hoy.
Your hair is very
My only hair,
Wow.
maybe. But me not.
so I'm sorry if I bothered you. We're just making a YouTube video.
Ay, my gosh. No.
Yohohon mga kadorf! Salamat sa panonood ng aming video at sa mga bago pa lang napadpad dito sa aming munting channel ay huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at pakiclick na rin ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated kung may bago kaming upload na video. So bago natin tapusin ang video na to, shoutout muna kay Rojas CJ. So yun, at hanggang dito na lang. Kita-kits sa susunod na video. Bye-bye!